Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I'd like to share with you a fun and quick project that is perfect for outdoor entertaining. And what we're going to need is, well, a fun piece of fabric and some old earrings. With this fun fabric and old earrings, we're going to make covers for glasses. And the covers are going to help keep the bees out of our beverages. So for our fabric, I have chosen this very lightweight sheer fabric. You do not need a see-through fabric, but I just think it's going to be a lot of fun on top of my glasses. We need a piece of fabric that's going to fit over top of the glasses. So a lot of that is going to depend on your glasses. But as a general rule, 6 to 8 inches is going to give us a big enough piece to work with. And to very simply make these, I need to take the size of the fabric that I want, and I'm going to do a finishing stitch all the way around. Now I'm going to use a rolled hem from my serger, but you can do this with a nice tight little zigzag if you want. So I'm going to be able to cut and finish those edges. Now I do want to have a larger one, and that way the larger one can fit on top of a juice pitcher. So this is going to be about a 12-inch square. So that piece is going to be big enough for the top of the pitcher. So I'm going to divide up my fabric so I do not waste any. I'm going to cut into squares and then serge or finish the edges any way you would like to do them. And that is going to be all of the sewing we need to do. So I now have 7 of these smaller little pieces, and they're about 6 inches by 7 inches, and the larger one. Now we get the earring fun. We're going to be able to just take those earrings, put it right through that fine mesh. We're going to need one on each corner. And now that the 4 corners are done, that is going to fit right over top of my wine glass. And I just need to do the same for the larger one that will fit over top of your juice pitcher. And I'm ready for my guests to go outside. So if you're wondering why I'm using earrings instead of just sewing beads on, well, I think this is just going to be a lot easier to wash. And the earrings are going to be fun and personalized. Now, if you do not want to use earrings, you can use swivels for fishing. So what you're looking at is a swivel on one side, and the other side has this little hook. And that hook undoes, so that's the area I could put into the end. I can close that up, and I can make them all matching at the bottom. Now this hook does have a swivel on the end, and the hook, you can get them with just the hook if you do not want to add the swivel. So these would give us an option to make everything matching, and they will still come off when we need to put it in the wash. How cute are these? They are quick, they're easy, and I did use a sheer fabric, and that way the earring could get through it. But just think of all of the possibilities, and before you know it, you're going to be having friends give you their old earrings and asking you to make them some. And thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a so-tacular day. Bye for now.